So we are going to do some final polishing. Here I have pipe. Sorry, the light is not the best, but it's looking good so far. Now we're gonna do a final polish on this. So we'll do first we'll do triple E, which is a polishing compound. I have my triple E wheel on here already. And then once we do that, then we'll go over it with some white diamond, which is a finer polishing compound. And then we will put a layer of carnauba wax on the outside, and that'll help protect it and give it a nice shine. So let's get started. With triple E, I have a variable speed buffer here. I typically with triple E like to do around 1200 RPMs, maybe 14. And so first we need to load the wheel with some triple E. I actually polished some brass light fixture plates the other day for my wife, and kind of turned my wheel all black, so just spent some time cleaning that. So what we're gonna do is just gonna go at the pipe. And you can already see, if you can see that, how the grain is just popping just with a little bit of polish, which is nice to see. All right, I'm going to keep going at this, and we'll check back once we're done. All right, so we're looking good here so far. Grain is really starting to pop, which is really nice. So I'm very pleased. And now we're on to the white diamond. Looks nice. And next up, the carnauba wax. And now the wax. Typically, you gotta, when you're doing the wax, you gotta do a higher RPM. So I'm doing 1800 here. But you really have to hold on to your pipe, or else you're gonna lose it and fling it across the workspace. So. One thing you gotta do with the carnauba wax is you gotta buff it. So I actually have another wheel over there. See that? I'm gonna buff off any excess. And this is just a cotton wheel. Alright, there we go. Rain did a nice pop. So there we have it. The Marxman Royal state pipe. A crack in certain lights, you can see it, but pretty awesome how that turned out. Thanks so much for watching. Look out for the next series. We'll be starting a new pipe. here pretty soon. Please subscribe, like the video if you liked the video, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one.